Prime Minister Xanana departed for Russia today to attend the ASEAN-Russian Summit 2026, which will be held in Kazan from June 17th to 19th. At the summit, Prime Minister Xanana will join ASEAN leaders and Russian President Vladimir Putin to discuss cooperation and partnership between ASEAN and Russia. The meeting will focus on key areas including trade and investment, regional security, energy, technology, education, public health, and connectivity, while also promoting peace, stability, and economic growth across the region. The summit will feature panel discussions on cooperation between ASEAN and the Eurasian Economic Union, covering topics such as digital development, artificial intelligence, food security, and transport connectivity. For Timor-Leste, participation in regional forums remains important in supporting its ASEAN integration process and strengthening international cooperation.